Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread using your rice cooker. This easy method is perfect for beginners and requires minimal effort. We'll start by combining simple ingredients to create a soft dough. Then, we'll let it rise, preparing it for its unique baking journey. Get ready to enjoy fresh, homemade bread with a surprising twist. Once your dough has risen beautifully, it's time for the magic to happen in your rice cooker. Lightly grease the inner pot to ensure your bread releases easily after baking. Carefully transfer the dough into the pot, spreading it evenly. Then, simply select the white rice or bake function and let your rice cooker do the rest for about 45 minutes. It's truly that simple. If you're finding these bread-making tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. On another note, if you love reading while your bread bakes, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After the initial cooking cycle, check your bread for a lovely golden brown crust and a firm feel. If the top isn't quite as brown as you'd like, carefully flip the loaf and cook it for an additional 10 minutes. Once baked to perfection, remove the bread and let it cool on a wire rack. This cooling step is crucial for the texture, ensuring a perfect slice every time. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.